an authorized user uploads the hex file to the data platform, you have the option of signing the file with your own key to further verify its integrity. Select the machines you want to update. This can be a single machine, a group of machines, or the entire fleet. The data platform transmits the application to each vehicle's telematics control unit via an encrypted connection. The TCU verifies the integrity of the binary file before proceeding. The TCU does not start the update process automatically. It indicates that an update is available and waits until the machine is confirmed to be in a safe state. The TCU initiates a UDS diagnostic session with the target electronics control unit and transfers the new application, just as your technicians would do using a cable. After flashing, your on-machine application verifies that the electronics control unit is functioning correctly and reports the outcome to the data platform with a full audit trail.